Do you really think you can ace an exam without looking at it beforehand?
Hi, I'm Ella, founder of Stylish Study, an online platform that teaches you how to revise. I was once you, constantly being told to revise but never how to actually do it. After getting 4s and 5s in my GCSEs, I set out to find efficient techniques and create a way of studying that worked. Fast forward 2 years and I achieved A-star, AA in my A-levels, and I'm here to teach you exactly how to do it too. All whilst breaking the stereotype that for a girl to be invested in her education, she can't have an interest in style.
Welcome back to day 3 of the Learn the Exam Game in 5 Days challenge, how to make exams easier. So we've already covered throwing out the rulebook, knowing what you need to learn, and today we are going to cover learning the exam. So I don't mean learning the content that goes in the exam, I mean learning what the actual exam is all about, so you know it inside out, back to front, upside down, forward and back, so that every time that you go to take that exam, you know exactly what is in each question in the overall paper, and you can just smash it out the park because you know exactly what is going on, not just what is the content. So you need to learn this because otherwise you are going to spend your whole time just learning the content, which is fine and you obviously need to do that. However, if you know what is in that paper and you know what every single question is about, you know exactly how to answer that question in the best and most efficient way. So for example, not every single paper within that subject is going to require you to know the same thing. I like to use the example of my film exams. So I had 2 papers. One paper I had to learn a certain set of films for, and the other paper I had to learn the other set of films for. Now, if I didn't know which films were in each paper and I didn't know the difference between both papers, I would have learned all of the films for just that one exam that I only needed to learn 4 of. So you need to know the specifics of what is in each question and each paper. Furthermore, within each question, I only needed to answer a certain part, and there was only a certain objective for each question, which they don't make super straightforward when you actually read the question. Most of the time, this comes up in somewhere else, normally the specification, where they tell you what they actually want you to know. It's a horrible game, but once you learn it, it is so much easier, and you'll go into the exam with so much more knowledge and be able to tackle it so much easier. So let's go through the steps that I want you to complete today. These are the day 3 steps. If you haven't already, make sure that you go back and watch day 1 and day 2. If you don't, day 3 won't really make sense. The way this challenge is set out is that you do it step by step by step. These are the steps that you need to complete today. There are 2 crucial things that you must learn about your exam. First thing is your timings. Now you can find the timings of the exam paper either on the front, or they are also normally in the specification. So you need to know how long each exam takes. Now, with each subject, each paper may have a slightly different time. For example, sociology, like one question paper was like 1 hour and 45 and the rest were 2.5 hours. But you need to make sure that you know how long each paper is, and also then work out how long each question should take you. Now, your teacher can help you break this down, just ask them. The other way to look at it is if you can't find out from your teacher and your teacher is not being the most helpful, go through the paper, work out how many marks there are, and divide that by the time. Sometimes it works out to be a mark a minute, it just depends, but you want to make sure that you know exactly how long to spend on each question. The second thing that you must know about your exams are dates. So I know we're in a bit of a weird year this year, and it might knock on to next year. However, you can always find your dates of your exams around a year before. Just go to the exam board website and there should be a timetable of when your exam is. I know it's a little bit weird this year, but it should hopefully work out. But also know dates of mocks, class tests, etc. Write them down as soon as you know. This is crucial to, 1, plan your revision before the exam season starts, and also when the exams have started, know what you need to revise between each exam. those were the steps for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss any of the other videos coming out this week, and make sure you hit that bell notification, turn that on. If you have signed up to the challenge, make sure that you check your emails because today's worksheet will be sent to you. Also, if you have any questions and you are in the Facebook group, be sure to leave them for me. Help each other out, you know, and I will help you as well. And there will also be a live from me very, very soon. So don't forget to fill all that out and check the Facebook group so we can fully implement our learning today. If you forgot to sign up for the challenge, do not worry, there will be more coming up. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at Stylish Study and like our Facebook page, Stylish Study, so that you can stay up to date when the next challenges are coming up. However, if you want to get videos like this weekly, worksheets weekly, be in our exclusive members only Facebook group, be sure to hit that link in the description to be notified when enrollment opens. The membership is coming at the end of this week. I cannot believe it. The videos will be so in-depth. There will be so much knowledge and resources within that, and I cannot wait to invite you inside and chat to you on the Facebook group and just create an awesome girl gang. So be sure to hit that link in the description so that you can check all of that info out. If you are loving this challenge, I can 100% guarantee that you are going to love the membership even more, so you do not want to miss it. Enrollment will only be open for a couple of days, and once that is over, I'm not sure when the next time it will be open. So when the spaces are available, be sure to go grab yours. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a comment about how long your longest exam is. I would love to know. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the next challenge video.